Welcome to Kelvin TV.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Kelvin TV. On this episode, we are going to learn on simple unoccupied bed. So I'm here with my sister. Okay, so guys, stick and stay with us and let's learn how to make simple unoccupied bed. Thank you.
Guys, my name is Kelvin. I'm the principal nurse, and then I have my assistant.
The assistant.
Okay, we are here to do a simple unoccupied bed. So there's the things that you need, as I have already said. So we have the bottom sheet, as I said earlier. We have the drawer Macintosh. We have the drawer sheet. We have the pillow case. Then we have the top sheet and then the counterpin. And then this is the pillow. So we are done with the setup. Yes. So before then, you have to also assess the bed. Yes, we have to assess the bed. If there is no shaking, make sure that the bed is stable. So we need to assess the bed. So when we are done that, sometimes in the procedure, you can wash your hands or you can wrap your hands with alcohol. So there's our alcohol. So someone may ask, why are we rubbing our hands with alcohol sanitizer? To prevent infection. Yes, to prevent infection. So we are done with our hand washing. So we are now going to do the procedure. See? guys, so we are done with the simple unoccupied. You see that the bed is very nice. Yes, so thank you for watching Kelvin TV. Don't forget to subscribe and then also share, like, and comment. Yes.
Okay, guys, so we thank you guys for watching Kelvin TV. So this is simple unoccupied bed. So watch out for admission bed, operation bed, and cardiac bed. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.
Thank you.